Oh. Hey guys, well, welcome back. We changed the rear and front diff. Now we're gonna take it out for a speed run. I didn't make any other changes to the car except to go back to stock diffs. We got the Sky RC right there. We got here. Let's go track, start, and let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can do something decent today. Let's make sure the car's running straight. Okay, here we go. Nice and easy. Oh, oh, holy smokes. When it was passing by me, I could see the front lifting up. So, oh man, I knew it was gonna fly. I knew it was gonna fly. I could just see it. It's low to the ground, but man, it cut some air. Man, I hate that we missed out on such a great run. I really do. Okay, let's flip this thing around. Just scrapes on the car, which is no big deal. The wing that broke. Let's see what we did. Stop, read 126. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. We're gonna check it, make sure everything's okay. We are gonna give it another run, but I am gonna lower the front just a little bit more. I don't know if you can see, it's extremely low. Look, not even I could barely get underneath, and it still grabbed air and went airborne. Okay guys, we're gonna try one more time. Everything seems to be fine. So let's go here. You can see this is 126 we just did. So now we're gonna go start. Now let's see what we can do. Full throttle, went flying again. Damn. Damn it. There it is. Let's see. That one I was able to keep full throttle for a second. I see something in the middle of the road there. Oh. It's my GPS. Stop. Read 133. But for some reason we can't seem to keep it. 4 wheels. Battery wanted to come off but stayed in place. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you